You're watching Hawaii News Now Sunrise.
7:18 right now. More kids are going back to school, back into the classroom, including those at Pūnana Leo. Lacey Denise joins us from Mānoa with more. Good morning, Lacey.
Good morning, Steve. I don't think I ever want to leave. This place is amazing. We have Olalo Hawaii, and we're also in my element, in the garden, right here in beautiful Mānoa, here at Pūnana Leo o Mānoa. We have brought back in Kumu Kahoku, and hopefully they'll teach me some tips on how to save my garden because it looks absolutely nothing like this, not thriving at all. But Kumu Kahoku, we have a couple of special guests this morning. What are your ovai koinoa?
Ovai koinoa?
Okay.
Okay, ame.
Kupua.
Okay, and kupua, and we may be eating aikalima after this. We might be if we do really good.
Oh, yeah.
Kumu, let's first start off with you. How important is it to bring the curriculum from inside outdoors here to the garden?
Yeah, absolutely. So during this time of COVID, we tend to look more to our ike ku'una, yeah, our kupuna and our paths. And being outside is one of the best ha'awina, yeah. It's the best classroom to really focus and engage our keiki. Especially during COVID where there's fresh air, we can take mass breaks outside, give the keiki their space, and really just let them get down and dirty in the mala.
Yeah. Okay, there are a lot of different plants here. Okay, can you tell me what types of plants are here?
Na kupu kupu, ai, a kupu heha hoa e na la. Na la, oh yeah, no.
And I hope you guys have some tips for Anake because Anake's garden looks absolutely nothing like this. Okay, can you tell me what is your favorite part about being in the garden?
Ai?
Yeah.
Yeah, kapa'aniana mena hoa.
And kupua, what do you like about being in the garden? I know we don't like the snails, right?
Ole.
I dig in the.
Yeah, and the butterflies.
Aye.
There's so many different things here, and these are all native Hawaiian plants, right?
Most of them, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Well, before we go, Steve, I'm trying to learn this new sentence. I don't have it quite down yet, but Kumu, can you help me?
Yes, I can. Did you want to say it in English or Hawaiian first?
Okay, I'll say it in English. Steve, your dad jokes aren't funny.
Okay, and what we can interpret that as, Steve, is ole hoi hoi na nane a Steve.
Mahalo, Kumu.
Ole pili, yeah.
We're going to work on that. We'll be here until 8 o'clock this morning. But coming up next, we will have a breakdown of what the drop-off process is like here at Pūnana Leo o Mānoa. You get that, Steve?
It sounded so much more pleasant coming from the Kumu, but you know what? Maybe that's what I needed. I'll stop for a little while, Lacey, okay?
Okay.
All right, good job. Those kids were incredibly cute. 7:21 right now. And Billy,